Hey guys, thank you for joining me in this video. The topic of this video is how to deliver an automated course online. I'm a teacher. My name is Dominique Prosper. I've been a teacher for over 25 years. I now help teachers and career professionals who want to get paid for their experience and escape the time for money trap. The time for money trap. Your time for the money. No. No. All right. So how do you deliver an automated course online? If you have seen any of my work, you know that I love to teach, but what is making it simpler for all teachers, instructors, educators in any area of expertise is automation. So you can help your students and your participants get information on their time. That's why it's called on-demand learning. Also, personalized learning. Personalized learning came into public schools a long time ago, called differentiation. We started using differentiation models to help all learners struggling on grade level and accelerated students all at their own pace using differentiation. So differentiation online could be called differentiation or personalized learning, right? Or self-paced self-paced learning. So any of the above will do, because we know what you're talking about. And how do you do that? How do you do that? So, all right, if you are teaching a content area, the first thing you're going to start off with are your objectives. What are they supposed to be able to learn? Now, bigger than the objectives are the goals. The goals, okay? The learning goals, the learning outcomes, what they will be able to do. For example, if you're going to be able to roller skate by yourself without holding somebody's hand, that is the outcome, okay? So the objective is going to be, standing up. The objective is going to be pushing off the sidewalk. The objective is going to be going from, point A to point B by yourself, something like that, okay? So the first thing you're going to have are the learning outcomes. Now, how do you get a hold of your students so that you can deliver to them? What are the learning outcomes? I don't know. It depends. If you see them online, you can do that. If you see them, maybe you have a written document, a PDF, that they can access, okay, great. If you have some video lessons, okay, great. That's how you're delivering content to them on their time, self-paced, so that they can get to the information before perhaps the meeting time for the class, if that's the way that you're running it. So the way that you deliver automated lessons online is so that they can access the information on their own, right? And depending on how much of the course you have outlined and delivered in an automated fashion, they will have a chance to get at it, okay? Now, the best way to do it for me is, first of all, teach the class live, teach it live, so that you understand what it is, what the kinks are. For example, when you deliver an outcome and what they'll be able to do, sometimes they're able to help themselves and sometimes they're not. And if they're not able to, you're going to have some type of separate, additional office hours for them to ask their questions, or somehow for them to, deliver their questions to you so that they can get their questions answered. So if you can't do that in a way that is not face-to-face or live in a meeting, then or written, then you need to figure that part out, okay? Because the outcomes, you need to have as close to 100% as you can for all your students, that they were successful, okay? You want to make sure that your students are successful in your program, and it's going to be documented. So you want to make sure that as you're building an automated system for whatever the the part of the class, the whole class, whatever it is, you're able to step by step understand where they're getting stuck, provide that additional support, and then eventually automate the entire thing, okay, when it's foolproof. If it's not foolproof, as a classroom teacher, I can tell you right now, you need to walk them through and walk yourself through until it is seamless. When it's seamless, that means there are no bottlenecks. They're going from the outcomes to the objectives to lesson 1 to whatever, all the way through by themselves, doing the homework, turning it in, having discussion boards, whatever you're doing, then you're good to go, okay? So what's lovely about automation is, like I said, it's on their own time. It could be 1 o'clock in the morning, it could be 5 o'clock in the morning, it could be 10 o'clock at night, and you've already delivered the information that they need to know. And it's beautiful because if they were late, or if they missed the class, they can get the content, they can replay it, they can go beyond it as well, okay? So for example, if there's a 1.3, they get it, they can go to 1.4, 1.5, whatever. If they're stuck, they can go back to 1.1, 1.2. So it works for everybody, all right? Automation is beautiful, and I hope that you give it a try, all right? Thank you for joining me.